Today morning we had Kalbhairava Homa to please the energy of Kalbhairava, who is Lord of all the Moksha Puris. In Hindu tradition, we have 7 cities, Moksha Puris: Kashi, Kanchi, Mathura. There are 7 cities listed as Moksha Puris and 12 Jyotirlinga Stalas. For all the 7 Moksha Puris and 12 Jyotirlinga Stalas, Kalabhairava is the Kshetra Balaka. So, you'll be surprised. Among 108 Vaishnava Divya Desas, 73 Kalabhairava is the Kshetra Balaka. You may be thinking, how come Shaiva deity is in Vaishnava tradition? Somehow he became part of the Vaishnava Agama also. Even Kalladhar temple, most of the famous Vishnu temples will have Kalabhairava only at Kshetra Balaka. Kashi, Kanchi, everywhere. Kamakya. Kalabhairava is the Kshetra Balaka. He is the Lord of the Kshetra, who maintains, protects everyone.
Kalabhairava is beyond time and space and beyond the form. But he needs a center to operate. He needs some center from which he can operate. So Kalabhairava uses that deity in the Kalabhairava temple to operate from there. He needs a center, like how we need a center in our body and operate like that. That energy to operate from, he epicenters himself in the temple. This is the very land of Kalabhairava. Kalabhairava, Bhairava is the protecting deity of any Shiva temple. Any Shiva temple, you'll have Kalabhairava. Kalabhairava is called the Kshetrapala. Kshetrapala means the protector of that energy field. He protects the energy that is sown, that is implanted in that place, any Shiva temple. So Kalabhairava Homa bestows the space of completion, healing, protection, emergency help, everything. And it's doing it in the very land of Kalabhairava, the home of Kalabhairava, and in the very time when Kalabhairava assumed his form. Lord Shiva assumed the form of Kalabhairava.
Shri Kashi Puranayakam Sakalamandra Arshishwaram Mokshadam Dhayettam Hridi Kalabhairava Gurum Kanta Sametam Param Om Hrim Am Yaralavasarvam Ksham Hamsaha Sarve Sarva Sarve Namaste Pramaditeryo Vidharta Adhyaschidhyam Manyamanasturaschidraja Chidyam Bhagam Bhakshityaha Bhaga Pranetar Bhaga Satyaradho Bhageman Dhiyamuda Vadadannaha Shri Vigneshwara Pujam Karishye Vigneshwaram Dhyayami Tadangam Swasti Punyaham Chavatesh तन्मय दास नामधे यस्य दिलीप करदास नामधे कालभैरवाय स्वाहा ओम नाम भीम रूम अक्षया अंतरिक्षेव उदा भवन्ति या पृथिवीं पयसोन्दन्ति शुक्रास्ताना पश्यन्ति तस्य भाजयते हनः कुशतीरिव मातरः तस्मा Kalabhairavaaya Swaha Om
Today we had the Kalbhairava Homa, and In this samadhi, in this energy itself, all the inner awakening participants are going to have the Shodasi Vidya initiation today. Kalabhairava is the Rishi of Shodasi Vidya. See, you need to know a very strange but true. For all the pujas, rituals, Mahadeva is God. But for Sri Vidya sadhana, Sri Vidya spiritual practice, spiritual process, is the Rishi, means he practiced it. He himself became what he is by practicing Sri Vidya. Means it is his own inner space he is expressing. Mahabhairava is the Rishi. Kalabhairava is the Rishi of Sri Vidya Sampradaya. Already morning I took his permission and blessings to initiate all of you, all the inner awakening participants, into Sri Vidya Sadhana, the Shodasi Mahavidya.
नित्येश्वरा हरि नित्येश्वरा मूषिकवाहना मङ्गलदायक गौरीनन्दना नित्यपुरीश नित्येश्वरा हरि नित्येश्वरा नित्येश्वरा हरि नित्येश्वरा मुक्तिप्रदायक विघ्नविनाशक सिद्धिविनायक नित्यपुरीश नित्येश्वरा हरि नित्येश्वरा नित्येश्वरा हरि नित्येश्वरा गंगाधर हरा हे परमेश्वर जय जगदीश्वरा नित्यपुरीश नित्येश्वरा हरि नित्येश्वरा नित्येश्वरा हरि नित्येश्वरा शिवशक्तीश्वर श्रीशैलेश्वर शम्भो शङ्करा नित्य
I have a question. Mahadeva coming to our level and taking this level, is that also love current of Mahadeva?
What I feel is yes, because like that's why Swamiji he took an incarnation just to bring like us to the space of Shiva. Like Swamiji always says that only Shiva can bring you to the space of Shiva. Like for example, like today morning satsang he told that it will take so much time if you yourself like repeat the Shodashi. But if Swamiji initiates us, he'll just in the one initiation he can just like put the Shodashi in our biomemory. So what I feel is Swamiji coming down to our level and taking us to the space of Shivoham is yes, it is love current of Mahadeva.
Adding to this point, like what I feel is that bullying and coveting is all out of powerlessness. So powerless, if you are in the space of powerlessness, we cannot experience Mahadeva's love current. Just because like in Gurukul, we don't covet others' things or like we don't bully each other, and just because we know that we are part of each other and we have that powerful space in us, just by that space in us, just because of the powerful space in us, we are able to experience Mahadeva's love current. If we could have started like bullying others or being in the space of powerlessness, we could have not experienced. But just with the space, we can experience Mahadeva's love current.
Shiva, 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 Shivoham. Welcome home to experience love current of Mahadeva. This city is just DNA of physical expression of Hinduism. From your side, nothing needs to be done other than being here. Simple truth straight away.